Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make mycelium liquid culture. Easy method. Sterilize water and nutrient in jars. Cool. Then inoculate with a clean culture syringe immediately. Shake gently to disperse mycelium and incubate at stable 20-25 degrees C until cloudy, indicating growth. Check daily for contamination and discard any off-smelling or discolored batches. Store finished culture, refrigerated, and use within a few months for best results. Sterilization is critical to success, so start by filling jars with your nutrient mix and sealing with breathable lids. Process jars at 15 psi for 20 to 30 minutes to eliminate contaminants. After sterilization, let jars cool completely to room temperature on a clean surface to prevent heat shock to the culture. Maintain a sanitary environment when moving or inoculating jars to keep contamination risks low throughout the process. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cultivation tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, perfect for keeping your workspace tidy while you focus on sterile technique. It's a handy tool I recommend keeping near your grow area for quick cleanups. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When inoculating, work quickly and calmly in a still air environment while wearing gloves and a mask. Inject the recommended milliliters of culture into each jar, seal, and label with strain and date. Store jars at a steady 20-25 degrees C and shake gently every day to increase oxygen contact and promote uniform growth. Watch for healthy white mycelium and discard any jars showing unusual colors, smells, or textures to protect your other cultures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.